Hi everyone. Today we're going to do exercise 28. This will be a t-shirt design. So you're going to be designing a t-shirt. You can be creative and you can use all the features that we have learned so far on Photoshop. Let me just show you a couple of examples. One of our students did a while ago. Show it like that. Okay, this is one of the designs. You don't necessarily have to create a t-shirt and have that design on top of it. I will be doing that, but you're not required to. But I just want you to create something, and I'll show you one other example. So be creative, and let's get started. What I did here is this was actually a t-shirt that I have designed myself. So I put that up here. What I'm going to do is remove the design on it. I'm going to use the spot healing brush tool first and see if I can get rid of this. Okay, I got rid of the writing. Now I'm going to work on my design. I actually had a little drawing that I made, so I'm going to try to pull that one up. I'm going to find the file and open with Photoshop. And this is the one. So I want to put that picture on the t-shirt. First, of course, check your image size because we're working on a little t-shirt. So this is too big. I'm going to make it 2 inches. And now I'm going to use my magic wand. I'll zoom that in a little bit. Say inverse. Okay, so we have it copied. And we're going to come here and paste it. So I will zoom into this. And first I'm going to use the eraser tool here. It's right here. Erasing on this layer, so I'm supposed to erase it on this layer. So I get rid of that. And now I can go to paint bucket and just pour in black into the letters. Again, you don't have to do anything like this. You can just do whatever you feel like doing. It's just a t-shirt design. So as long as you do something like those examples, you will be fine. You can always do Control Z or Command Z to get out of a mistake you made. Okay, I think this is gonna do it for now. Now there are some white spots, so what I want to do is I'll take the pencil tool. It's at 1 pixel, and I'm gonna select this yellow color. That way, with the pencil tool, I can just put some yellow in there, get rid of that white. So if we zoom out of this, I think it looks pretty good for what it is. So if you wanted to use some picture, I'm gonna use a picture, see if I can get something interesting here. Yeah, I have this picture and I'm going to select a portion of this. Of course, I don't know what my image size is, so let me just check my image size. Yeah, that's huge. I'm going to make it 2. Now I'm going to select that portion here. copy it, bring it here and create a new layer, paste it. I'm going to go scale this. So I'm going to go edit, transform, scale. And I want to cover that image here. And I want to bring it below my guitar layer. So I kind of want to do this here. This is what I'm going to keep it at. Of course, you can always put your name on it. Be creative and work on it. So I'm going to save this. Okay, that's it.